Hello, welcome. In today's video, we will be unboxing the new Enya ukulele. This is a more affordable option compared to the X1. I guess a bunch of people were saying that they really wanted the X1, but it was outside of their budget. So Enya heard these people and released a more affordable model. I think the biggest trade-off between the X1 and this new model is the gig bag. But other than that, the quality of the instrument is there and the accessories are all there. And in order to make this video more interesting, I invited my friend Cole to unbox the ukulele with me. Cole is a performing artist, so he's really talented and you'll see it in the playing demonstration. Alrighty, let's get started.
Okay, so they send you some really cool accessories here. I'm all about, a tuner?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's look at the accessories first.
Yeah,
that's for last.
Yeah, this is all you need to be a successful musician. You don't need to go to college, you don't need to do anything, you just go right at it right here. This is all you need. You want a #1 hit, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. There you go, and you have it right now, so.
Yes. So thank you, Enya.
Thank you, Enya. Whoa.
Here, I'll take the gig bag.
Okay. So we're gonna unopen this, unopen, whoops. Okay. So,
are you ready?
Are you guys ready? Drum roll, drum roll.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is some awesome stuff right here.
Wow.
Is the first note gonna be in tune? Yeah! Oh yeah.
Let's put the tuner to
Put the tuner on, yeah, whoa. If you purchase this ukulele instead of the X1, I think the biggest difference is the gig bag. The typical Enya gig bags have the zipper that goes all the way around, very thick padding, the front pocket, and different straps. But in this case, you get a more thin gig bag. It's not as thick as the other ones, and it has a different zipper mechanism. It definitely feels a lot more like, I don't know, more bendy, I want to say, but that's not the right word. Help me out in the comments. So it's not the typical Enya gig bag. There's no front pocket, but you are getting a more affordable ukulele. So I would say that that's the trade-off that you're making in buying this one instead. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this instrument, pop them in the comments below. So usually when we have unboxings, I just show you the instrument and then you guys ask questions, and for the review I answer all of those questions, so pop them down below. And then I'll have Cole's social media and channel and everything down below as well, so that you can find him. He's very, very talented. And I think something that I love about your media is that you are always happy when you're playing music. And yeah, that's true.
That.
Yeah.
It just radiates from him and it's so contagious.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, so I'll add him down below so that you can check him out. And I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!
Thanks for having me. Bye.
Bye.